This is the Movo UCMA-3 USB C to 3.5 millimeter audio adapter for microphones. Folks, if you're going to be doing videos with your Samsung phone or your iPad 12.9 inch, the ones that have the jack for USB C ports, you're going to need this little guy here to connect to your external microphones. I've got my Movo VXR10 just to show you how this would be set up here. Now this is the cord that comes with the Movo external microphone here. The side with the 2 tick marks, that's the one you're going to put into your microphone. Make sure that's seated properly. And the other end, it has a picture of a phone. And it says for phone. And this one has 3 tick marks. Remember, that's going to go to the end of your UCMA-3. Okay? And this, of course, is going to go into your USB C port. And now you have the setup for your microphone to work properly. But guys, this, I tell you, it's something how something so small will make your life a whole lot easier doing videos. Guys, that's your review for today. Make it a great day.